I proper shat myself. Oh! Well, if you're still with us, folks, that's us. We're on the B500 now. Funny thing is, I don't know if your voice will come through or not, so it's just going to be me making lots of sexual noises.
Yeah, I also don't think that I feel like I really made you make sex.
I'm like, to be fair, this amount of rain you can deal with. It might not be the fastest route round the B500, but we can deal with it. Sunshine's coming out now. This looks interesting. Whoa. There's little reminders on some corners. This road is dicey. And those little reminders are in the shapes of crosses. Do we have a moment?
Yeah.
Wow. I thought
wheel on a corner at one point.
I thought it was game over. Coming down to the
Hairpins are brutal.
it was a major hairpin with sort of loads and loads of,
Yeah, the 50.
I think it was 50.
Yeah.
So coming down to,
Okay, didn't it?
yeah,
It started off okay, didn't it?
yeah,
And then it just kicked in.
and then the back wheel locked and was going like this.
I'm glad we came back out. Yeah, me too. I'm suffering a bit now, like, but I'm glad.
There's always a faffer in each group.
That little guy, like.
I know. Oh! Was that you just getting payback for yesterday? Yeah. No.
I've got it up there.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Very about thundery skies up there though, boy. Hopefully that passes overnight. If it doesn't, that's going to be an interesting ride tomorrow. That looks thunder and lightning type skies. Well, thanks for coming along for the second part of today's ride on the B500. Hopefully I captured it all. Hopefully it's interesting. And go back to the hotel, get showered, have something to eat. A couple of foaming beverages, I'm sure. That's the name of my sex tape, Steamy Exhaust. So this is home for the night. Yeah. Oh yes.
I nearly died as well. That's kind of why I was going slow for the rest of the day, because I'd spun the wheel on a fucking corner. Certainly made me shit myself.
Yeah. We're saying just showers change, we'll meet in the bar once everybody's ready. Cheers for watching. And as always, keep it shiny side up, and we shall see you next time. Thanks.